So before my battery went off, I was trying to show you extensions that we use on KDP. And I was trying to tell you that this BSR rating color, if you see what it really do, is you can see from my book here, it's trying to tell me the number of review we have here and the rank this book have. That is what this one do for you. Then for this DS Amazon Quick View, see when you move around any book like this, there is almost a pop-up. Let me move around. You see the pop-up by the right, which is this one here. Just look there. Yes, that is the Quick View trying to tell me the size of the book, 8.5 times 11. Then how many pages. I don't have to scroll. It's just going to give me the Quick View there. Then over there again, we still have another one called Titan Pro and Titan Quick View and Product Mesh. For Product Mesh, Productor for Mesh by Amazon, what it does for you is you can see that what it does is to tell you all these, trying to give you other stuff. Then Titan Pro and Quick View is this one. You can see from here. Then the first one, which is Amazon's Suggest Expander. It means when you click something inside, it's going to bring more like this. This is what that does for you. It's going to expand on it and try to tell you, hey, more options. Now we can see from here, if we want to do more search after we've typed in this long tail keyword, the next we want to do is to check on vegan, instant pot book 500, or want to go for beginners or the essential vegans or all these and see which keyword is best. So let's just try get one keyword out from here. So now we want to put something different for women. Let's see. So we'll write for women. Then when it's out, we'll see what we get from it. So we have 1,000 results, over 1,000 results. Then we're going to wait for the extensions to finish fully load. Then when it's done loading, we know what next to do. All right. So from here now, what makes this beautiful is when this result is finally out, I'm going to show you all the keyword that was used. It's good you always add subtitle when you finally get your title. Yes, so like here you can see the easy instant pot cookbook for beginners. Then over here we have 2,000 plus day of simple and wholesome instant pot recipes for busy families and deliciousness conscious cook INCL tips and tricks. What this thing does is you can see this book was released on September 11 2023, which is this year, and it's on paid hard anyway, but it's doing well because the review trying to tell us that this book has been awesome, and this book has been ranked as 3,778 in terms of overall cookbook family. Then over here now we still have another sponsored one, 2021, still running. Trust me, sometimes you can run hard and it doesn't give you. You can see the rank 160,000. Which one do you think will be making more sales? Is this one. So the lower the BSR, the higher the sales you have. Yes, so over here now this book is selling better because of the BSR, which is best selling rank. Then here we can see 8,000 for this book is doing well as well. Then let's go down again and see this book is 149. Yes, then but in the subcategory at the pressure cooker recipes is Ash 170, which I talked about when I was talking about Amazon here at this dashboard aspect. I was trying to say something when I was showing you categories. Remember, you can watch the part 1 of this video. I made mention of category. Now we know that what next. Let's just go back. Well, okay, let's finally check if it's out, then we'll know we're good to go. Over here now we have 60. This should be a good keyword. Then sales rank we have 40,000. Yes, this is going to be a good one. But what we want to do, we try to fine tune. If you want to add now, you can come here and say vegan instant pot cookbook for women. Then next we want to check is the prices of all this book. You can see this is at $10. That is what this book is sold at. Then another one here is at $13 this book. Then but from here we can know the average cost from here. If you see at this place the price, the lowest price is $9, the mean average is $15, then the highest is $27. So you can price your book at this place or leave it there. All right, the next score is almost something like this. Anyway, we can just hit on enter later and just move on, because research is one beautiful thing. And don't just stay on one keyword. You can move on to another one that is not. The essence of doing research is to look for a lesser competitive niche and make your books. So you can move to Ultimate Pasta Cookbook. Then when you get that, if you don't like doing cookbook, you can move on to other place and find one, make ahead cookbook, and trust me, you will get something out of this. That is one way to come out with extension, keyword. so that I don't waste too much time. Then at this place, we've talked about extensions, and I've explained all the extensions and what they do for you. And I believe you should give me a thumb up for this, which is liking this video, and as well subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, the next one I want to do is let's see what we have. Before you start writing, search on Amazon if the book title you are planning to use has been used already, to avoid Amazon termination. This is what I mean is, for example, you want to make a book called Love and Sex. Let's say something like that. Let's come here and say, okay, now everything is out. Sales rank is out, which is not a good one though because of this place. But we can. This is 56 here. Which one should you go with? I want you to tell anything that gets to 56, it means it's better at this place. In case this one refuses to install, you can manage this one for yourself. So now I want to go to Amazon.com from scratch, and when the site is up, the next thing I want to do now is search for a book called, maybe the title of our book is called Love and Sex. We can say Love and Sex. Maybe that's the plan. That's your plan, is to title your book Love and Sex. So we are going to come here and see if any name like that. Look at now, Love and Sex. So if you move down, you can see this is called Love and Sex. It means if you use any book, if you use your name related, if you use a title that someone has used on Amazon, you might face misleading, and Amazon might terminate your account. So instead of just writing Love and Sex, you can say Love and Sex and Sex. You can put two and Love and Sex and Sex, and just make it the way you want. That is the knowledge behind this. This book is doing well, if you can see, because the ranking here is ranked at 408,000. It's still making sales. So it doesn't really matter though, but for you to find a profitable niche is what we're talking about. Find a lesser competitive niche and start making your book at that. So you have 800 topics. From this, you can create your own topics for women, for men, for seniors. Senior are people who are of age. Yes, those are senior. They are for adults, they are for kids, they are for teenagers, they are for children. Yes, and they are for single mom. So you can just use those ideas and you're good to go. Now I've talked about that. I've told you about searching, and I'm revealing it to a lot of expo. The next I want to talk is making your content. What kind of content should you make? That will be the next video. I believe this video is helpful, and you want to give me a like, you want to give me a comment, you want to give me a subscription. And most importantly, please, if you've not watched the part 1, watch it so that you can get full understanding about the part 2. Then we are going to the part 3 in this series, which is making your content trend evergreen. Which one is best for you? I'm going to be making explanation about this and the best possible advice I can give. All right, I'll see you in the next video.